got a 2004 Suzuki Forenza here. This is a 2.0. I wanted to show you how to put in your cam sensor. Now we've got everything ripped apart because we're doing a timing belt and water pump on it as well. If you need that, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, and you can have that one as well if you need it. But so this cam sensor, I just wanted to show you how easy it is to install. It is actually very easy. You don't even take off this timing cover. The only thing you're going to take off is these 3 bolts on the motor mount. Place a jack underneath with a piece of wood on the oil pan to hold it up. Remove this cover here, this lock, all 3 bolts there and the one here. Take that off, and then there'll be a 10mm holding this cover on the plate. Take that off. You don't have to replace this or remove this whole cover here. Then your 2 Torx bits right here, or your Allens I mean, and then you can get right at the clip right there with a pair of needle nose and unplug it. Now vice grips might be in the way, but underneath there is a 10mm and a Torx bit. Right there's the Torx, right above it, that hole's where the 10mm goes. And you can just pull the 10mm out and grab that cam sensor, and it goes in this way, and just slide it right out. Slide your other one in, tighten down your Torx and your 10mm, put that cover back on, put this cover back on, of course plug it in, and your 4 bolts there, 1 bolt and 3 nuts on your motor mount, and that's it. Let your jack down. Very simple process to change the cam sensor on these. So I just wanted to show you that while we were in there. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, including that one. And as always, guys, enjoy.